Do you know many people are having trouble with the E6 error code on their crockpot rice cooker? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Stop cooking cycle. The E6 error code requires stopping the cooking cycle immediately. Step 2. Unplug and cool. Unplug the cooker and allow it to cool down completely. Step 3. Check cooking pot. Once cooled, remove the lid and check the cooking pot for any issues. Step 4. Add required liquid. Add at least 8 oz of liquid if necessary to the cooking pot. Step 5. Set valve to seal. Ensure the steam release valve is in the seal position if using the pressure cooking function. Step 6. Restart cooking cycle. Restart the cooking cycle on your Crock-Pot Express Crock. After following these steps, your Crock-Pot rice cooker should be ready to cook again without any E6 error interruptions. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Crock-Pot users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.